Ooh, nice. Hey guys, it's been a while since I've done an RC video, but this box is huge. This is a 1/8 scale, so it's right there. High speed racing, typical brand that I run, Nitro. And my partner actually bought this one for me, so it'd be interesting to give it a run. Give me 1 sec so I can get the lid off this box and we'll have a look at it. Love the colour on this one. This is a short course truck. You've seen my other short course truck, the green one that I modified and turned into a 3S brushless. And this is now a big ol' Nitro one. So I think the usual HSP cars run like an 18C XP Nitro. I think this one is a 21C XP Nitro. We shall find out after I get all of these clips off. Oh, that came off so smoothly. Okay, so what do we got? Yep, 21C XP. Not sure what that ring is. That's like a scratch. Oh well. But yeah, wow, this is not been out of the box. This has not been run in. This has not been driven. This is, like I said, this is new. It's got a nice, ooh, that's like a waterproof air filter. So this might be very good for off-roading actually. Single gear, so it's not a 2-gear. It's not a 2-speed Nitro. It's my other Nitro, the HSP buggy that I'm just constantly have been working on for the last like 6 months to a year now. I've been working on that one. One servo there that controls the throttle for the motor, and that servo obviously is for control of the steering. And that is a, ooh, what is that? That's a different servo to what these usually come with. What's that, 15 kilograms? That's interesting. They don't, these HSPs usually just come with these E6001. Yeah, they're a 9 kilogram servo. So for steering, to have a aluminium by the looks of it, aluminium 15 kilogram steering servo, that's very interesting. That will be awesome to play with. Wheels feel a lot higher quality. I'm actually not too sure if this is completely stock or if the, as I said, my partner bought this for me, so I have no idea about this. Maybe the person she bought it off, maybe they do some aftermarket work on them or something to make them a little bit better, I'm not sure. Never seen a HSP come with a 15 kilogram servo, and I have had a lot of different ones in a lot of different price ranges. They've always had E6001 9 kilograms. So that'll be awesome to play around with. That servo saver actually feels a lot nicer as well. Yeah, I actually have no idea if this has got aftermarket parts on it from the person that was reselling it or not. This is brand new. Like, this isn't like a refurbished or anything. This was listed as like a brand new off of a proper like store, like a proper seller. So if they have done some upgrades to it, that's awesome. But we got usual paperwork here, spare parts list, different. Yeah, they are different wheels than what's usual. Let's see if we can have a look. Yeah, here we go. Throttle servo, 3 kilogram. Steering servo, 9 kilogram. Engine level 26 CXPs. Interesting. Might be a 26 CXP. But yeah, throttle and steering servo, 3 and 9 kilogram. So that is a modification that the seller has done, I believe. Single speed, 1 gear, which we already knew. Unfortunately, I won't be able to drive it in this video. This is more video to just open it up and have a look. There's a lot of oil on that. I will need to check all of the shocks because that could be a good indication that something is leaking that shouldn't be, and it's only on that one wheel. Obviously, before you drive any RC car, especially one that you've bought like brand new, when you first take it out of the box, you want to have a quick overlook of it, make sure nothing's broken, everything's working fine, everything's as it should be. I have no idea if any modifications have been made to this prior to selling it, but as you can see, it is brand new, strapped in a box, never been run. There's a controller still attached there. It's very interesting to look at all of this when I take it out of the box, actually. But yeah, so as I said, unfortunately I won't be able to run it in this video, as it's been raining and just horrible at the moment. But yeah, I promised RC videos were coming back to the channel, and this car, I'm going to run this. This will be the first RC car to redo all of that content, to start doing some RC cars again. Once this is run in and ready to go, you will see a follow-up video to this. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it's this thing driving. Till then, please like, subscribe, and take care, everybody.